Here I have Renault Captur, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Renault Infotainment system. Then find here and select the apps icon at the top of the list. All you need to do right now is scroll down and select here the settings. Let's choose it. From the settings, let's scroll down one more time and select system. Alright, so here from system, let's choose here the reset options. And from reset options, all you need to do is find and select reset app preferences, so the second option from the following list. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and the permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish this operation, let's tap here Reset Apps. Alright, app preferences are reset, so now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.